Hi, I'm Teresa from Atlas Pilates. Welcome to my posture clinic, which is primarily focused on exercises that are standing and that will help you develop your upper body. The goal of each of these workouts is to give you different aspects of organizing the upper body and the posture and developing different aspects of it. So some are more weight bearing, some are more organizational, some are more for stability, and you can mix them up. I did put them in an order from basically the easiest, where you have very little experience using your upper body or doing upper body workouts, to the hardest, more weight-bearing exercises. But it really doesn't matter. You can mix them up, but there is like a flow through if you choose to start at the beginning and go towards the end. As you work through this series, I think you'll become much more aware of how your upper body functions. So this will show up in your life when you're doing tasks like moving a potted plant, for example, or climbing up and reaching up and getting like a heavy kind of awkward platter, or putting your suitcase up in the overhead bin. You know, these don't require a tremendous amount of strength, but those are those moments which, for someone with not a great foundation, end up maybe tweaking their shoulder or something. I created this series really over many years, and at the foundation it's really doing Pilates. It's doing the arm series, it's doing the magic circle exercises. I found those really useful in my own development, and I practiced them a lot, but I also noticed that in a studio setting, I didn't see it being taught a lot. So I kind of went on a mission to really make sure I was not only doing it for myself, but demonstrating it as a teacher, teaching it to my clients so that people are seeing it and doing it. This series is really for anyone. You will become more aware of how your arms connect to your body, and you'll develop good practice in doing functional movements. It's generally, in my mind, for a smaller body or someone who doesn't have a lot of experience in a sport, an upper body sport, or even in Pilates. There's a lot of focus in the beginning, especially on the powerhouse, as there should be. But if you delay or don't ever start to explore the upper body stuff, your progress will be slowed down. So once you kind of get initiated and understand kind of the basic concepts of the powerhouse, I believe that if you start to focus on your upper body, your progress will go much faster. I'm hoping that you will feel more confident and have better understanding of the organization of the upper body and the posture for you to do these things. It should also set you up for success if you decide to do something that requires a lot of upper body strength. So that would require more conditioning. We don't get into a lot of strength building or endurance in these series, but it will set you up to pursue something that requires more and the training that goes along with that.